Hello and what's up everyone? In this video, me and my friends gonna introduce you to computer networks. But first, let me introduce you to our group members. We named our group as the Smurf 02. In the first place, we have our group leader, Muhammad AFIQ. Next, we have HANIS, MALYANAH and also me, ADRIANA, SOFEA as the backbones of the group. In this video, we will cover the definition, the key objectives, the types, and the best practices of computer networks. I hope by the end of this video you will understand computer networks better. First and foremost, what is the definition of computer networks? A computer network is a system that connects two or more computing devices for transmitting and sharing information. Computing devices include everything from a mobile phone to a server. These devices are connected using physical wires such as fiber optics, but they can also be wireless. Computer networking is the branch of computer sciences that deals with the ideation, architecture, creation, maintenance and security of computer networks. It is a combination of computer sciences, computer engineering, and telecommunication. The second topic of this video is, what are the key objectives of creating and deploying a computer network? Firstly, resource sharing. Users are no bound by location. A network allows data and hardware to be accessible to every pertinent user. This also helps with interdepartmental data processing. Next, cost savings. Huge mainframe computers are an expensive investment, and it makes more sense to add processors at strategic points in the system. This not only improves performance but also saves money. Since it enables employees to access information in seconds, networks save operational time, and subsequently, costs. Also, computer networks allows streamlined collaboration and communication. Networks have a major impact on the day-to-day functioning of a company. Employees can share files, view each other's work, sync their calendars, and exchange ideas more effectively. Lastly, secured remote access. Computer networks promote flexibility, which is important in uncertain times. A secure network ensures that users have a safe way of accessing and working on sensitive data, even when they're away from the company premises. Mobile handheld devices registered to the network even enable multiple layers of authentication to ensure that no bad actors can access the system. Types. What are the types of computer networks?
Types of computer networks. Geographical scale. Nanoscale networks. Enable communication between minuscule sensors and actuators. Personal Area Network, PAN, connect multiple devices. Storage Area Network, SAN, facilitates block-level data storage. Campus Area Network, CAN, used by larger entities, for example on student Wi-Fi. Wide Area Network, WAN, cover larger area, for example large cities, states, and even countries. Virtual Private Network, VPN, overlay private network stretched on top of a public. Cloud Network, WAN whose infrastructure is delivered via cloud services. Organizational Intents. Internet. Most secure type of network. Usually exists behind the router in a local area network. Set of networks that is maintained and controlled by a single entity. Internet. Global system that connect governments, researchers, corporates, the public, and individual computer network. Collection of multiple network.
Extranet share resources with partners, customers or remote employees similar to the intranet but connections to particular external network. Darknet overlay network that runs on the internet and can only be accessed by specialized software. Its uses unique, customized communication protocols.
Assalamualaikum. So okay guys, my name is IRFAN. So I'm the leader of this group. So now that is my turn to explain about our topic. So my turn is the best practice for computer network management. So the first thing is use the right tool. So the right tool yang kita faham ni adalah penggunaan tools-tools yang ada dalam komputer. Jadi first kali kita ada network monitoring solution. So firstly we will say that network monitoring is can give completely visibility into the network. So as example yang ada di sini is visual map. Visual map can gauge network performance and help spot anomalies. So basically in our computer or laptop, there is some virus that we cannot found by myself. So we can use the right tool as this apps which is visual map. So other than that, we can use the newer system like AI, which is artificial intelligence yang ada sekarang ni. Okay, it also can predict scaling equipment and cyber threat. Oh, it is so very helpful, you know. Okay, so other than that, we have IP address manager, or as known as IPAM. So what is that? So this IPAM is bigger network that need to have is to plan, track and manage information. So I think this you guys always use in your laptop, but you tak perasan. Okay, so you can try to search on your laptop lah. Okay, so other than that, we have the security solution, which is a safeguard network that are carrying increasingly sensitive loads. Okay, so firstly kita ada contohnya macam firewall dalam security solution kita ni. Okay, as we can see dalam picture yang dalam slide ni, kita ada tengok di sini ada bad traffic in the internet. So the function of the firewall is placed at every network junction to block a specific traffic. So kalau macam kadang-kadang kita ada lag dalam laptop tu, kadang disebabkan oleh virus or kita tersalah tekan link kan. So biasanya benda tu akan bawa kepada kedatangan anomalies ataupun malicious malware tu. Okay, so this is the function of firewall to block the specific traffic. So other than that, we have anti-DDoS. Anti-DDoS device that must be placed at the perimeters of the network. Is document and update constantly. So benda-benda macam ni, document and update constantly ni, kita perlu kerap lakukan dalam kita punya laptop or device. So basically kita boleh check our technical specification of equipment, which is our wires, cable and connector. Why this thing we need to check? Because this thing is very important in our laptop. So we can say that the wire, cable and connector can cause our computer network become more lebih baik lah. Okay. So other than that, we have the hardware. Hardware is the perform major functions such as input, output, storage, communication, processing and more. Honeypots and honey-nets. Do you know what is honeypots and honey-nets? So I think not all people know about this thing, which is honeypots and honey-nets. So firstly, I will talk about the honeypots, which is honeypots is to analyze the traffic for better understanding of malicious connection. Okay, first kita tengok gambar yang ada tu, which is honeypot placed in between firewall and internal network. Okay, kita nampak honeypot tu yang macam lebah, sarang lebah tu. So diletakkan di antara firewall dan internal network. Okay, function dia apa kat situ? Function dia helps to improve and expand organization security. Okay, the next is it acts as a defense system and helpful to identify loopholes, vulnerability in the network. Okay, so simple dah. Yang kita perlu faham which is honeypots, dia akan bantu untuk act as a defense system, like firewall also lah. Next which is honey nets. So honey nets ni apa pula kan? Okay, honey nets ni which is honeypot. Okay, honeypot tadi tu with some extra value added features. Tadi honeypot tu satu. So honey nets ni dia ada extra. So dia ada banyak lagi. So honey nets analyze the intruder actions simultaneously. It eliminate risks to others on the internet. Okay, faham kan? So kita tengok dulu gambar tu. Okay, gambar tu ada honey net topology. Okay, kita ada nampak ada banyak honey net server di situ. Lepas tu kita ada nampak ada attacker. Okay, attacker tu dia macam orang yang pembawa virus lah. Okay, so kita nampak honey net ni dia telah menghalang attacker tu daripada masuk ke dalam kita punya router ataupun firewall tu. Jadi dia kiranya as a defense system dalam kita punya computer network ni lah. Senang kata kan, honey net ni dia sama juga macam honeypot tadi tu, tapi ni lagi solid lah. So dia punya features dia which is has log file storage. However, attackers can delete those files easily. So it is recommended to send a copy of logs to another internal server as well. Kita pergi ke last. Okay, the last is pick the right topology. The right topology which is the pattern or hierarchy in which nodes are connected to each other. So the topology can speed up, slow down or even break the network. So you just can read there. Okay, the next is they also has a mesh and ring. Okay, I think that's all from us. I think we all already covered about the computer network. So I hope you guys can understand what I talking about. And if there any question, you just can comment like and share guys.